No time to cook between work deadlines and life's demands? Think again. I have a quick, wholesome, and yummy alternative rice dish that can keep your energy up for hours. You don't have to settle for the usual unhealthy choices. I'm Dr. Hanz, and we're starting our mission at the supermarket. Hi there, we're here at Whole Foods, and we're here to grab a couple of ingredients to our recipe for chicken cauliflower fried rice. Follow me inside. Doctors can have weight problems too. I've actually lost about 35 pounds over the past few months. I want to share some of the simple things that truly helped me along the way. I'll admit, I love white rice, but I discovered swapping it for cauliflower rice is a delicious way to slash calories and stabilize your blood sugar. That's a powerful move. Start with the best ingredients. Always choose the freshest ingredients you can find, with the fewest blemishes. Pick a cauliflower head that's slightly heavy for its size. Let's be practical. If you're busy like I am, bypass the grading entirely by choosing the convenience of these pre-packaged cauliflower rice. It's a perfect time saver. It's hard not to love mushrooms. Besides their great flavor, they're full of essential nutrients like vitamin E and are always easy to find. If your goal is to reduce animal fat, grab these. When you choose ingredients, pick ones with flavors that you enjoy. Healthy eating shouldn't feel like punishment. Chicken is a great protein source that's essential for our fried rice, and your choice matters a lot. For the safest and best quality, I recommend looking for chicken that's air-chilled, organic, and pasture-raised. Air chilling is key. The process uses less water than conventional methods. Less water means less moisture, which gives you a higher guard against contamination. By the way, always sanitize your hands after handling poultry, as it can carry bacteria like Salmonella and Shigella. Food preparation is a huge deal when you're focusing on weight loss, and even your small choices really count. I hope my tips help you along your journey too.